Hey, in this video, I will show you how to turn off sound on Facebook like button. It's something that is very frustrating, especially when you are late at night browsing Facebook on your iPhone or on your Android device, and you wake up your parents or your significant other. So there's a way to fix that, and I've updated this video for 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions while you are watching this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm very curious to know. So what you want to do is actually go over to the Facebook app, and you want to click on the bottom right corner on menu. On an Android device, it would be the top right corner. And from there, you want to navigate down, scroll down until you click on settings and privacy. Here you have settings, privacy shortcuts, your time on Facebook, device requests. But what we want to click on this category is settings, the first option. And here in search settings, to shortcut it, to speed the video a little bit, we want to type on the search bar at the top and type in sounds. Click on the first option, and here you can just remove all in-app sounds just like this. It's very simple. As I promised, if this video helped you out, you can give me a like, and each like it actually help me and the channel a lot because it gets us a few more views, and we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. If you had any questions while you were watching this video, we try to reply to every single comment, especially after the first few days after an upload. So yeah, I want to see you in one of the next videos.